Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GA4 series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll see how we can install GA4 on Shopify website and how we can do it manually. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So I have created a demo Shopify account so that I can show you how to install GA4 on Shopify manually. And I have also created a GA4 account with the name of Analytical Growth Ecom. Okay, so first of all, we need to get the tagging or tracking code. Okay, so for getting the tracking code, I need to click on admin section, and I will select data streams from here. Then I will select analytical growth ecom. Then I will scroll down a little bit. Then I will see an option called view tag instructions. So I'll click on this button. And I will click on install manually. So we can see a JavaScript tagging code is available here. So we need to put this code inside the header element. You can see over here. Okay. So as this one a Shopify CMS, so for accessing the admin panel, I need to write, I need to put my website URL and then I need to write /admin. Okay. So you write /admin. Just wait a little bit. Okay. So we are in the admin panel of our website. Then I need to click on online store. Okay. And from online store, I need to click on themes. Okay. So where this is our theme, then I need to click on 3 dot. Okay. Then I will click on edit code. And I need to go to the file called theme.liquid. So we can see our header element is available here. So I'll put this code inside the header element. Okay, so I'll copy it from here again and paste it over here. Okay, so I'll click on save. So our Google tag code has been installed on our website properly. So this is how you can set up Google Analytics 4 on your Shopify website manually. Hopefully you have clear understanding on how we can do it. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. Okay, you have a good day. Bye bye.